In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Docs. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along comfortably. By the end, you'll know how to start a document, choose the right style, and decide whether to use a template or build something completely from scratch. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the Canva homepage, look towards the top of the screen for the main button that says Create or Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point for almost everything in Canva, including documents, presentations, and more. After you click Create, a search bar or drop down will appear where you can choose what kind of project you want to make. In that search field, type the word Docs. As you type, Canva will start suggesting different options related to documents. This might include regular Canva Docs or variations depending on what's available in your region or plan. Once you see the option for Docs, select it. Here, you may notice a few different sizes or document styles to choose from. For example, you might see a standard document size that's great for reports, notes, or written content, and other formats that lean more towards design-heavy layouts. Take a moment to think about what you're creating. A simple written guide or article might work best with a standard doc, while something more visual, like a one-pager or handout, might benefit from a more design-forward layout. Click on the size or design that best matches your goal. After you've selected your document type, Canva will open up the Docs editor. On this screen, you'll see a blank page in the center and a side panel on the left. In that side panel, look for the section labeled Templates. Click on Templates to explore ready-made designs. These templates give you structure for things like reports, planners, proposals, or lesson plans, and you can customize the text, colors, and images to match your needs. If you prefer full control, you can skip templates and start with a completely blank doc. Simply place your cursor on the page and begin typing. You can format your text, add headings, insert elements like images and graphics, and adjust the layout as you go. That's all you need to get started using Canva Docs. Click Create, search for Docs, choose your document style, and then either apply a template or build your own design from scratch.